So this is a urine test strip, and what you see when you're looking on the screen is the test strip is on the left, and the bottle with the measurable amounts is on the right. So the strip has been dipped in urine, and the color of the pad changes if you have something in your urine that you can detect. So if you're starting at the bottom of the pad, right here, you would compare it to any one of these boxes, and if there's any color, then you would write down how much it matches with. So the orientation of the strip is vertical to the container, and each strip then gets assessed based on the horizontal line. So in this case, it would be negative for blood. Bilirubin would be maybe a little bit plus. Then you have urobilinogen, that would be negative. Ketones, you see something, it's somewhere between these two, so I would put a small amount. Glucose, nothing. Protein, maybe a little bit, so I'd say slightly positive. Nitrite, negative. Leukocytes, maybe a little bit in between these two, a trace and plus. You can measure the pH here. You'd have to slide it all the way over there. It looks like it matches up to 7. And then the specific gravity can also be measured with this strip, and it looks like it's somewhere around 1.015. That's how you do it. Every strip is different depending on the container it comes from, so you have to make sure you have the right strip to match up with the key on the container.